Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So 31-year-old lady from KZN has been trending the whole of today after Tulele TV, which is a podcast on YouTube and Facebook, shared this video and revealed that she has turned into a gogo overnight after allegedly sleeping with a foreign national, and that foreign national being, of course, a Nigerian. People on social media have reacted, with shock, devastation, and people saying that they wish to assist. Now, this guy did this video saying that it doesn't surprise him at all because we South African women love tall, dark, and handsome African men. They love also clothing, and of course they love big peepees, which is why they go out there and do what they do dating these Nigerians. He says it is definitely the love of money, and he says that this is definitely the price to pay. So let me not waste your time by quickly insert that video, you guys. Before I do that, do make sure that you engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Nothando nempatho namapipa amakhulu. That's the only reason osisibethu abahlezi besinikeza yona. When we ask them, why date abantu eningazi ngisho emakubo, eningazi ngisho nokuthi basuswe yini emakubo, eningazi nokuthi zithini inhloso zabo ngokubala eSouth Africa. Ngiphelelo ubuthongo bewupast 2 le post ngibona ngopast 2 ekseni ngivela waphela ubuthongo kwahlasa umuntu umzimba lo wesifazane. She's only 31 years old. Walala nomuntu wangaphandle. Yabona bafowethu, bosi sibethu siyamthanda thina, izwani ngathi siyamthanda ukuthi londo ngeke siyishe ebusweni nisibuka, kodwa deep inside down manje nazo ukuthi siyamthanda. Mase kunjena kumele sithini manje? Dingeka abantu bendabuko.
Namhlanje kumhla ka-20 kuMay 2026 sinibekela ke nje sisendleleni ohambeni ke olubheke ngapha endaweni yaseMtuba, lapho siya khona nje ekseni. Singapha nje eMthunzi njengamanje, kodwa ke siyadlula nje bangisho siya eMtuba. Sihamba ke ngodaba bafethu ke oluthusayo nolungakholakali kodwa likhona ngenza kwethu ke ngaphansi kwenhlangano Ithuleleni kwingosi ethi ke abantu bayagula. Siyacela ke nawe ukuthi usubscribe ungene kulelo page lelo lapho ku YouTube lithi ke abantu bayagula. Siyazi ukuthi abantu baze uthi khona uThuleleni TV, but sicela ukuthi niye ngale niyo subscribe khona ke ipage lethu ke. Udaba esihamba ngalo bafethu udaba olubuhlungu lukadade wethu ona 31 years iminyaka, kodwa sikhuluma nje usesesimeni sokuthi usephila njengomuntu ongazothi ubheke ko 95 years iminyaka njengamanje, nesimo somzimba wonke indlela aseguge ngayo. Okusolakala ukuthi kwaba khona umuntu wangaphandle athandana naye, okusolakala ngazuthi ke uyena ngathi bathi ke wamenza lokho amenza khona ke ngokuthakatha ke indlela athakathwa ngayo, ngoba ngathi waba nomuntu ajola naye wangaphandle. Emva kwalokho lo muntu wanyamalala usisi ke waqala ke lempilo ukuthi kushintsha umzimba wakhe ke uthathe isimo sokuba umuntu osemdala wesimame osebheka impela empeshenini. Indlela abukeka njengamanje ungaphezulu ngisho kamama wakhe omzalayo. Umama wakho ngazuthi uyena omusha, mhlawumbe bayalamana uma babheka, kanti cha, ingane le ineminyaka nje u31. Isimo sogula abhekene naso ke isona bacela ukuthi ke sisuke ngapha eThekwini sibheke khona le sizombona, sibone ukuthi ke yini mhlawumbe ke iSouth Africa engakwazi ukuthi imenzele khona kulesi simo abhekene naso ke. Ngane zakwethu ke ngiyabonga njengamanje, siyacela ukuthi nize nisijoyine sihambe siyobona lesi simo.